Hi guys, it's Matt. We're here with the winter solstice snack. We're going to start off by mixing our peanut butter with our chocolate bar, and we're going to melt that in the microwave. And then we're going to pour it into a bag with our cereal. Okay. Let's put that off to the side. And then we're going to add some powdered sugar. And you just shake it till everything's coated with the melted chocolate and peanut butter and powdered sugar. You want to get a good coating on all of it. Then we're going to pour it into our bowl. This already smells awesome. Can't wait to try it. And then we're gonna mix in our pretzels, our white chocolate chips, and our M&Ms. Oops. And we'll just mix it all together. And then, the best part, taste test. That is really delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed as much as I do. Thanks. Bye.